Hello everyone and welcome to NewtonGATE Academy, where we make your dreams come true. And I welcome you all to our another new video. So as you all know that in the basic spoken English course of 3 months, these are the following topics that we have covered so far. And in this video today, I am going to let you know about the benefits of joining our advanced spoken English course for the next 3 months. So if you join our advanced spoken English course, these are the following benefits that you can avail. Number 1, it will help you boost your confidence level. Number 2, it is going to help you become a pro speaker. Number 3, in the basic spoken English course, you can develop a neutral accent. But if you join our advanced spoken English course, it will help you adopt a much better accent that is going to help you deal with international clients also. Number 4, we will discuss some advanced level of group discussion topics. Number 5, we would also discuss some advanced phrases which you can use in your daily conversations as well as in formal conversations. Number 6, we will also teach you how to eliminate errors in speech, for which we would be conducting advanced role play sessions that would shape your overall personality. Point number 8. In the advanced level, we will also teach you how to answer behavioral questions. Point number 9. Through interesting videos, we will guide you to prepare for mental aptitude tests or mental ability tests. Point number 10. We will teach you different types of handshakes according to specific situations. Along with this, we will also teach you how to excel in your job field through SWOT analysis technique. So in a nutshell, we conclude that if you continue with our advanced course after the completion of our basic course, then these are the series of benefits that you can avail. For your overall personality development and confidence building, we recommend you to join our advanced spoken English course. So that's it for today's video, and thank you so much for watching the video. So if you like today's video, then do not forget to like, share and subscribe our channel NewtonGATE Academy, and also do not forget to press the bell notification icon so that you can get updated with all the recent videos. Thank you so much.